my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a weekend vlog in my life. This weekend is going to be jam-packed and I'm in the midst of taking my finals right now, so I'm a little bit stressed, but it's not like too overwhelming right now. But anyways, right now it's like 7 o'clock to be exact. It's 7:30 and there's a yoga class at this place that I usually do yoga at, and it's at 9, I believe. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do right now is have like a protein shake right now. But yeah, it's raining outside. Alright, this is the yoga fit for the day. We've got an aloe yoga top, black Lululemon Aligns, yoga class is done and it was so good. It was definitely much needed. I don't know why, but I've just been so stressed with finals. My back has been really sore and I honestly think it's from working out so much. The class was definitely like a power yoga sort of thing, so lots of energy needed today, but it was really much needed and I'm glad that I decided to wake up early. The fact that my body even let me do this. Quick little outfit change into this. Align leggings, aloe yoga, hoodie, A&M hat. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop right now and edit and get some work done. Go to bed, come on. I haven't used this purse in so long, but it's Teddy Blake, literally one of my favorite bags, and I have all of my work stuff in here. Hey guys, I literally think I broke my back. Like, it hurts so. I really want cereal. We have some cereal. So basically, I am really bad at vlogging. We went to a party tonight and our curfew was 1 a.m. so we got home. She came a little later, but that's okay. Besides the point. I came like 10 minutes later. No, like 20.
No, dude. I literally got here at like 1:15.
No, baby. I'll check the receipts. Literally got notified when you walked into the door. Here we are. It's, what time is it, Fia?
2:18 in the morning.
And my parents are asleep right now.
And we're listening to Backyardigans.
Yeah, no, we literally watched, what was the title of the Raquel video?
Oh, Raquel being a fat mood for 7 minutes.
And then we watched the theme song from Backyardigans, and we watched one other video, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, by the way, I went to church earlier. I didn't even vlog that either. Morning, it is, it's 9:46. Alex, if you're watching this,
we liked your videos.
We liked your videos. You sent probably like 20, and I'm glad for the update. Hey, King.
You're getting your fitness on.
Morning. We're making pancakes. Going to the gym this morning, and then the rest of the night is going to be really special, so I'll tell you guys what we're doing once I get back. Alright, I am all, well, not all dressed up, but sort of dressed up, I guess, for my dad's birthday dinner. He doesn't know where we're going, but it's this really good place. You guys will see what it is. And I cannot decide whether or not I want to wear this little cardigan thing or this super fancy coat jacket thing that my aunt gave me. Let's try it on. Wait, I'm definitely wearing this. This is the fit. Thanks for watching today's video. If y'all liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I feel like I haven't done a proper intro in like the longest time, so that's why I'm just popping in here, but I'm also filming a whole nother video in this outfit, so you'll see that next. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.
Sing for the holiday, the happy holiday. Sing for the holiday.